to our viewers. I'm Cathie Webb, and this afternoon I'll be discussing with Teryl a question that we are often asked, and that is, how does a business choose a payroll administrator? What are you looking for in the person that you bring into your business to run that part of things? Teryl?
And I think, Cathie, also, if you're looking to be a payroll administrator, it's really important to understand the key attributes. And most importantly, I think, is people who can handle stress. If you cannot handle stress, this is not the job that you should be looking to do. So numeracy, all of those sort of things are key and important. Being proactive. Cathie, look at what we've been through this year in 2020. Look at what you had to do. And I mean, if you look at TERS, what do you think a payroll administrator needed to be able to do when it came to TERS?
I think one of the biggest things was finding a way forward, even if nobody really understood all the rules at the time, and then being flexible enough to change as things changed week by week. It really was a year of a lot of change for payroll.
So really important to be able to put processes into place quickly, to be proactive in what is typically a reactive type of environment. So all of those things are important. And then we come to formal qualifications and lifelong learning. For me, those things are absolutely critical in a payroll administrator. Somebody who is prepared to dig, research, understand how things work, and most importantly, why they work in a particular way. Because without that, the understanding of what needs to be done is at risk.
Thank you very much, Teryl. We hope our viewers have enjoyed that and look forward to seeing comments.